The Milestone MasterCard is an unsecured credit card designed for people with bad credit, but it comes with one major trade-off. You get access to credit without a deposit, but you pay for it through fees and limited credit flexibility. By the end of this, you'll know what Milestone actually offers, how it affects your credit, and whether it's worth applying for in 2026. Here's the honest answer upfront. Milestone is legit as a credit card, but it's not a good value card. It's a credit repair stepping stone, not a long-term financial tool. Start with what it is. Milestone is issued by Concora Credit and targets people with low credit scores or thin credit files. It's often marketed as an easy approval option when mainstream cards say no. It is an unsecured card. That means no security deposit is required, which is the main reason people consider it over secured cards like Discover It, Secured or Capital One Secured. Milestone reports to all three major credit bureaus. That matters because consistent on-time payments can build positive credit history over time. That's the main benefit. Now, the structure of the card. Milestone typically has different versions depending on approval, and many of them include an annual fee. Some offers also reduce your available credit right away based on account setup. That affects how much usable credit you actually get on day one. And that matters because credit utilization is a big part of your score. If your available credit is low, and you spend even a little, your utilization can spike quickly. Now the downside. This card is not built for rewards, cashback, or low-cost borrowing. The APR is high compared to mainstream cards, and carrying a balance can get expensive fast. So the way you use it matters more than the card itself. If you get Milestone, the strategy is simple. Use it for one small, recurring charge like a subscription. Turn on autopay. Pay the full balance every month. Then, leave it alone. That builds payment history without triggering interest or high utilization. Who should consider it? People who have been denied for most secured and unsecured cards and need a last resort option to rebuild credit history. Who should skip it? Anyone who can qualify for secured cards like Capital One Platinum, Secured or Discover It Secured, because those usually have better terms and fewer fees. Quick summary. Milestone is a legitimate unsecured credit card. It reports to all three credit bureaus. But it comes with fees and high cost if misused. Best next step. Check pre-qualification first and compare at least two secured alternatives before applying. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more no-nonsense credit card reviews.